Well, hi everyone. We are at the historic St. Peter's Village in St. Peter's, Chester County, Pennsylvania. And we just had a recent snow, and I thought it would be really beautiful just to take a walk through the village. And I can show you the stores. We haven't been here in a little while, but I wanted to mention that this road coming into St. Peter's Village is closed to through traffic. So there is quite the detour to get around here. So just wanted to let you know that. I don't know when it's opening. Over here is the historic St. Peter's Inn, and let's just check out this menu. So the restaurant is open year round. Just check online for their latest hours, but you can pause this. Hopefully you can see this menu. It's really glary, but they have it outside here. So I just wanted to show you what they offer. We ate here this past summer and it was delicious, and it overlooks the creek, which I'll show you in a second. So they have really good food here. And we'll just take a walk down here. This is the front. It's so pretty. The lights are on, the snow, and it's a blue sky today. But it is cold, let me tell you. This morning's high was 5 and it felt like 5 below. So it is super, super cold today. I think it's like the coldest day of the year. And this structure here to the right, I don't know what they're building. It looks like they're doing something there. And we'll just peek over the railing and I can show you the creek, all snow covered. And we'll walk up and get a better view of the creek up the road a little bit. But yeah, we'll have to check out later what this structure is. If anybody knows, you can leave it for us in the comments. That would be awesome. And I noticed driving down that the sidewalks are shoveled. So we'll take a walk down here. Although there's a lot of icy spots everywhere because, nothing is melting in this, Arctic weather we're having. And this cute little shop is Creekside Collective. That's right here. And then right next door is the St. Peter's Bakery. And they are closed right now. Check online for the store hours because these shops are open year round, but different shops have kind of different hours. And we can just peek in the window here if we can not get glare, but I'm not sure. But it's really cute inside. One day we'll have to go in and do a bakery tour in here. It's really cute, and they have really good stuff in here. And at the St. Peter's Bakery, they have this beautiful deck area that you can sit outside and have your baked good and, a cup of coffee, and you can sit out here and listen to the creek. And that's where we love to sit, is outside here. So we'll just peek over here, and everything's so snowy and icy. It's still gorgeous though. And that's the French Creek that flows behind St. Peter's Village. So we'll take a walk down here and we'll continue up to the left this time. The last time I think we went up to the right. So we'll walk this way first and then we'll hit the stores on the way back on the other side of the street. And this is an antique shop here on the left called Antiques on the Rocks. And in the nicer months, she has a lot of neat stuff on the porch, and there's some cool stuff in that shop. And that's another thing I want to do. I want to go through each of these stores over the summer when they're all open on the weekends and just, check out what everybody has, because there's a lot of neat things here. And this next building, there's a few different businesses. There's Elaine Adams Photography. There's an antiques shop, gift shop, and local lore, and Healing Spirit Cafe. So it's been a long time since I've been in that store, but I remember there was a lot of cool stuff. Now, some of these buildings are actually private residences. Like this one here, it says private, so that's somebody's house there. So they don't want you coming and hanging out on their porch or anything like that. So if you're visiting, just watch out for the private signs because that's somebody's house. And we'll just keep walking here. So it's such a beautiful spot to come to even in the winter. It's really pretty scenery with the creek and the snow and the ice. But if you come here to shop, just check online for the store hours. I know most of them are open on the weekends though, I'm pretty sure. And this part is icy. And that tannish building up there on the hill, that is the St. Peter's Post Office. So we'll get back on the sidewalk here. I think a gutter was leaking, making that area really, really icy. So if you come in the winter, just watch your step for sure. This building right here is called the Snug, and they have hard cider in there. And then look at this, all the bar stools in the snow. And then look how beautiful this is. Absolutely gorgeous. The Snug. I like that name. Hard cider and good times. Pretty soon, there'll be lots of good times. People sitting outside and stuff. And look at these little hearts. It's like the conversation hearts. It's a little table that they have for Valentine's Day. That is super cute. I've never seen anything like that. You never know what you'll see, right? And then straight ahead right here is the arcade. And then at the end of this building on the left, there's a massage place. And this place is so cute. I love this little town. And we'll just swing around here to the left and we'll go to the bridge and just check out the creek scenery. And this is not plowed too well at all. Actually, it's not plowed at all. And I don't have any boots. So this is a little bit cold with my sneaks on. That wasn't very smart of me not wearing boots, but oh well, it's not very far to walk. And then after we see the creek, we'll just walk back on the other side of the street, and then we can check out the shops on that side. And I don't know what side to look first, but we'll look to the right, and oh wow, this is so beautiful. Look at this. This is gorgeous. What a pretty snow scene, except for the graffiti, but you know, absolutely beautiful. Lots of ice on the creek. Definitely this cold weather is starting to freeze the creek. There's a nice path that goes down and around, just follows alongside the creek, but I don't have my boots on today, and it's a little slippery also. So one last view, and then we'll head down the other side. So I just crossed the street, and this little section, there's no sidewalk, but once we get past this cute little building, I believe the sidewalk will start again, or, like it's shoveled. And this little store that we're going to go up to is called Pop Rocks, and it's like a little general store, and I can't wait to go in it when we come back here in the nicer weather. But isn't this an adorable little building? I love the pastel colors all through this village. It's so cute. This one I think is one of the cutest. Pop Rocks. St. Peter's Mini Mercantile. Super cute. And then this is the view heading back down the steps and all the icicles everywhere. I'm definitely going to be cautious going down here. I don't need any slips today, that's for sure, or any day. So if you do come here soon, though, just watch the sidewalks because there are definitely some icy patches. And we are supposed to get like 1.5 feet or more of snow this weekend. Today is actually January 20th. And this weekend, they're calling for a gigantic snowstorm. I'm hoping that's not true, but I guess we'll find out. And then up on the hill here, there's the little tiki bar that they have opened in the summer. So quite a different picture today. No tikiing today, that's for sure. And you can hear them doing that road work down there. Like the whole road was kind of like falling apart. So it's good that they're completing it. It was kind of sketchy for a while. So I'm really glad that they're, going to repair that correctly. And isn't this adorable? I love this little section here too. And this is Fox and Frog Apothecary. Super cute. And then right over here, there's the fox and the frog, all snow covered. And if the weather prediction is right, the fox and the frog will be 100% covered this weekend. And then right down here, this looks so cute, is the boutique. And this is called Alley-Oop Boutique. So cute name. I like the purple paint on this building with the blue. I think that looks really cool. This sidewalk is pretty slippery. Some big icicles overhead. I haven't seen icicles like that in a while. Whoop, almost lost it there for a second. Definitely watch your footing if you come here. I definitely almost lost it there. I'm so happy I didn't fall. And all the Christmas trees. The trees look so pretty with all the snow stuck on them. The pine trees look so pretty. The snow has not come off the pine trees yet, and it still looks gorgeous. There's another cute shop. I'm not sure which one this is, though. I don't remember the name of this one, and I don't see their name on the front, but looks like I think they have a bunch of antiques in there, so looks really cute as well. And here's just a view from this side looking back at St. Peter's Village in the winter. Really pretty. Well, I hope you enjoyed this winter visit to St. Peter's Village. This was really fun, and it's so beautiful here right now with the snow and ice. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day, whatever you're doing, and we'll see you on the next one.